In this video, we will focus on the word to as. How to learn. Listen carefully, repeat after the speaker, and practice speaking naturally. Let's start learning in an easy and effective way. You have mail.
Tu as du courrier. Tu as du courrier.
You have a call.
Tu as un appel. Tu as un appel.
You have time.
Tu as du temps. Tu as du temps.
You have to go.
Tu dois y aller. Tu dois y aller.
You have a point.
Tu as un point. Tu as un point.
You have a friend.
Tu as un ami. Tu as un ami.
You have change.
Tu as de la monnaie? Tu as de la monnaie?
You have my word.
Tu as ma parole. Tu as ma parole.
You have the floor.
Tu as la parole. Tu as la parole.
You have a fever.
Tu as de la fièvre. Tu as de la fièvre.
You have a key.
Tu as une clé. Tu as une clé.
You have time.
Tu as le temps. Tu as le temps.
You have a plan.
Tu as un plan. Tu as un plan.
You have a gift.
Tu as un cadeau. Tu as un cadeau.
You have the answer.
Tu as la réponse. Tu as la réponse.
You have a choice.
Tu as un choix. Tu as un choix.
You have a question.
Tu as une question. Tu as une question.
You have the ticket.
Tu as le billet. Tu as le billet.
You have a job.
Tu as un travail. Tu as un travail.
You have your passport.
Tu as ton passeport. Tu as ton passeport.
You have good news.
Tu as de bonnes nouvelles. Tu as de bonnes nouvelles.
You have a break.
Tu as une pause. Tu as une pause.
You have a friend.
Tu as un ami. Tu as un ami.
You have email.
Tu as un email. Tu as un email.
You have a deadline.
Tu as une date limite. Tu as une date limite.
You have the recipe.
Tu as la recette. Tu as la recette.
You have a meeting.
Tu as une réunion. Tu as une réunion.
You have a message.
Tu as un message. Tu as un message.
You have enough money.
Tu as assez d'argent. Tu as assez d'argent.
You have the map.
Tu as la carte. Tu as la carte.
You have the answer.
Tu as la réponse. Tu as la réponse.
You have a voice.
Tu as une voix. Tu as une voix.
You have the energy.
Tu as de l'énergie. Tu as de l'énergie.
You have the power.
Tu as le pouvoir. Tu as le pouvoir.
You have a chance.
Tu as une chance. Tu as une chance.
You have my respect.
Tu as mon respect. Tu as mon respect.
You have a suggestion.
Tu as une suggestion. Tu as une suggestion.
You have the time.
Tu as l'heure? Tu as l'heure?
You have the receipt.
Tu as le reçu. Tu as le reçu.
You have 2 minutes.
Tu as 2 minutes. Tu as 2 minutes.